Welcome back. From visual claims to spoken and written claims, AI systems tend to produce information that sounds credible.
There are things to be concerned about. There needs to be an awareness of the risks around using it, particularly in real estate as it concerns. Some of those concerns is that ChatGPT can be used for property descriptions. I use it for property description. I use it more likely as a support to tidy up property descriptions, and that's where the difference is. I see AI as a support tool, not as a decision maker. Like, for example, a photo of a property which hasn't been staged correctly in terms of tidied up, and they might use AI to stage a photo. That can be dangerous. It can be dangerous for a number of reasons, because AI, when it does that, it can change the lighting, it can even change the surface of the floor, materially change the building, which can later on raise legal questions, and I believe that agents as well as their brokers could end up on the end of a lawsuit because of something like that. Whereas in the past, tools like Photoshop would have been used, and everybody knows that, you know, you can adjust lighting and stuff, but you wouldn't go any further than that. The thing a lot of people don't realize is how fast it's grown. And I'll just take a step back just to say that it broke records when ChatGPT was launched. Was it about 3 years ago now, roughly? It got to 1 million people within like 5 days. It took Netflix 3.5 years. It took Instagram 2.5 months, and Facebook 10 months. Since then, the power of ChatGPT has grown. So we can understand it, the more we can put in safety measures around it. But if we kind of just ignore the fact that this thing is happening, the world is moving very fast with this, that's going to be the problem for Jamaica as a whole. Just not just for real estate, but as technology comes in, the scams are going to get more advanced, more sophisticated, should I say. And so, and they're using platforms already like Airbnb to, they rent a place. This is a common one, and it's across Europe now. They rent the place for the week. Then they generate property descriptions and listings while they're in your place. They advertise that. They sign people up, and then they're out. And then the property owner is left with all this litigation and problems and complaints. That's on the Airbnb side. Now, this has become more common, and we need to have these discussions, and we need to start planning around what we're going to do, not to stop it, because we cannot stop it. The bad operators as well as the good, everybody's going to be using this. We need to have these discussions around what we do to protect not only the agents. We need to educate the agents, but educate the public as to what is coming, what is here, and where it's going. The duration of these tech giants to get to the point of generating an artificial intelligence that is super intelligent. They call it ASI. And so everybody's racing to do that. The technology is out there. The technology is free, generally, and the bad actors are using it. So yes. It's not just a real estate concern.